Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. First we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of blue. Now we mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of green. Kids, now we are coloring the shape of pentagon, and now we're mixing the color of green. The color of green. The next one is square. Kids, now we're using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. We are again using the color of yellow. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of black. Thank you so much for watching.